Each legislation will consist of its own chart of accounts. The chart of accounts have been set up, and to edit, we will click on Setup, Organizational Structure, Chart of Accounts. On the left-hand side, we will see the chart of accounts that exist in the system. Under the Management section on the Plan tab, General Tracking must be ticked. Select to indicate that this chart of accounts contains general accounts for tracking balances and financial reporting. Analytical tracking is ticked if you contain an analytical ledger such as a consolidated ledger. Control accounts flag means you will allow control accounts in this chart. Tax management, we select to use the plan for tax management if applicable. The account number format is set up over here, and in this example we have 10 numeric numbers. Below that we have default classes, and this is to categorize GL accounts. Note that this is set up by parity. The Miscellaneous Accounts tab displays the list of all miscellaneous accounts which can be linked to the current chart of accounts. This specifies the GL codes that must be posted to for year-end postings. This is set up by parity and will not be required to be set up by your organization. The Reciprocal Accounts tab is where intercompany accounts can be set up and linked to one another. On the Reporting Codes tab, a reporting code is used to regroup the accounts in order to total the debtor or creditor balances, and then draw up synthesis tables, such as reporting statements, consolidated statements, yearly reports, via the standard setup tool of the financial data extraction. This has been set up by parity. On the Default tab, or Default Accounts tab, we link the destination chart of accounts, such as the group consolidated reporting. On the default dimension types, we are not required to enter any additional information. The same applies to the screen codes and compatible accounts.